Do you want to know how you can use line break on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use line break on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open chatgpt.com on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account, and you can see that if you write something and if you want to go to another line and you hit enter, you can see that you cannot go to other line and it simply presses the command. Now to go to the other line, what you need to do is click shift and then click enter. You can see that as you click shift and enter, the line will break and you can start a new line from here. So let me go ahead and write down something like this, and you can see that this perfectly worked. You can see that it responded to my hello with hello, and as I asked how are you, it has given me the answer. So what you need to do is write down whatever you want, and to go to the next line or break the line, go ahead and click shift plus enter and you will go to another line. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.